welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. I am the owner of Foxborough Vintage on Etsy, Shop Foxborough on the Poshmark app, and I also have a handmade business, the Purple Hedgehog, on Etsy. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new Poshmark feature that is, I think, in beta, but it's coming out shortly, so I'm going to teach you how to use it so that when it does come out, you're fully prepared to take advantage of this awesome new feature. Okay, so what is this feature, you ask? This is one of the most requested features that Poshmark has had. So in September of last year, right before Poshfest, Poshmark put out a call to all of their sellers and users that said, what feature do you want to see on the Poshmark app in 2019? And everyone could submit their answers, and at Poshfest, at the hackathon, they would do the two most popular features that people wanted. So one of those features is draft listings. Yay! Round of applause! Thank God. Any selling platform worth its salt is going to have a draft listing feature. Etsy has a draft listing feature. eBay has a draft listing feature. It's just like a basic. So I'm so excited that Poshmark finally put out the draft listing feature, and I've been using it like crazy. So I'm here to show you how to use it, what it's good for, and basically get you up to speed so that you can take full advantage of the draft listing function when it does come out to everybody. It is in beta right now. I'm one of the test users, so they're making sure all the bugs are worked out, but I've had great luck with it. It's working perfectly, and I'm going to show you all about that, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. We are in the Poshmark app, and we're going to click on Sell down in the center and see, we're going to go ahead and upload some photos. I've already got some pre-edited from PicTapGo. I like to edit my photos on my phone, and then I'm going to upload the ones that I want straight to the app, and then I'm going to go ahead and crop them and get them exactly how I want them. Make sure everything is in line, because it's just a lot easier on the app than it is on the desktop version. And then after I crop photos, I'm going to go next, going to pick my cover shot, next, add filter, no filter. And from there, I can rearrange my pictures how I want, and then if you'd like to, you can enter in some of the details. I find it is a bit easier to go ahead and pick category, size, brand, and all that right there on the app while you're uploading your pictures. So that's what I'm doing right here, picking my sizes, typing in my brand. And I don't like to do my description or my title on my phone because of autocorrect. It leads to all kinds of weird typos, and then I think that I've got good SEO, and I've just got some like weird word that autocorrect decided it was going to put in there for me. So here I'm going to go ahead and put in an original price, and I'm going to put in a listing price. And none of this is final. You can change all of it up until the time that you publish it. So see, if I try to hit next, because I don't have a title or description, it's not going to work. So I'm going to hit cancel at the bottom, and it's going to have the option to save draft, and that's what I'm going to click on. So it says saved, and then if you want to access it, you just click on that sell button again. Now I'm moving over to the desktop here, and at the top right, it's going to say sell on Poshmark. I'm going to click that, and my draft is going to pop up right there. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to add in my title. I'm going to use as many keywords as I can, things that people might search when they're looking for this item. And here I can also rearrange photos. I can add a stock photo that I might have on my computer. You can do all the same things in the web browser that you can on the app. I just like typing better on my computer. I think it's faster and more accurate. So here I'm typing my description. I've got my title in already. And it looks like you can't fully see the description here, but just know that I'm typing in all the details. I've got style type, keywords for, the crew neck, the ribbed cuffs, the decal, on the front, and then I'm going to put in the condition, the measurements, and then my inventory number at the bottom of that. And you might ask, why on earth would I want to do this when I could just publish the listing right away? Well, say you're like me and you have kids and you are trying to squeeze in a little bit of listing, but it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it is a very awkward time of day to be publishing new listings. Now I can go in and I can save those listings and then publish them in the evening party, or I can save them and publish them in the morning when I'm doing my morning sharing, and it makes, if you do the 30-minute method, that's going to be easier. And so here I'm just going back into draft listings and I can go ahead and publish my item at any time during the day that I want to do that. And then the best part about this is that it makes it's not like you're losing your place in the just in category. So if I search motherhood maternity, there's my listing. If I search just in, there's my listing. So it's like you just freshly published it. And it's just a really, really great feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something, please go ahead and hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. My next video is going to be a really awesome one. It's going to be all about how to make more on your items with Poshmark. So get more money for the items that you have already listed on Poshmark. And I hope that you'll subscribe and tune in again, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!